Assalamu alaikum girls. I have sent you the course outline, and the first topic which we are going to cover is about history. Your syllabus is what is history, and your course outline covers the aspect of history, that what is history and why we study history. So as you can see that history is the study of some subject in chronological order, tracing ideas back to their origin and studying the evolution of the ideas or events. It is also said that history is just a study of the past. It is basically commonly used to study governments, politics, but it also includes some of the topics, like if we want to study about the wars, about the kings, about different dynasties, we study history. Here in our course, we are going to cover some of the aspects of Delhi Sultanate. We are going to cover a series of dynasties. We are going to cover this slave dynasty, which starts from Qutbuddin Aibak to Altamash and Balban, and then we will study Khilji dynasty. We will study Tughlaq dynasty. We will study Sayyid dynasty, and after that we will start with the Mughals, and later on we'll cover the later Mughals and the entrance of the British, coming of the British in the Indo-Pak subcontinent, and the period of our आप कह लें कि जो हमारा period of slavery, 150 years of our period, we are going to cover that also. But the most important factor is the study of the history, which we are going to cover now. And as you can see that history is used to illuminate topics such as science, technology or law. Basically, we cannot leave history. We can't leave history without our life, because every single minute which is passing by, it adds to the history, and it is basically a continuous process. And this is your fifth period, and what you have done throughout the day, it is a part of the history now, and it can be studied only by studying history. Every single subject, it has its own history. And here we are going to cover history as a major aspect, and the importance of studying history, that why we study history, what is its importance, and what are the reasons to study history.